Hey everyone, welcome back to Temperament Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the Colombian Ramshorn Snail, which is a large freshwater gastropod, commonly known as apple snail. By its common name, it is not a true Ramshorn snail. The species is native to northern South America and parts of Central America, particularly slow-moving rivers, wetlands, ponds, and floodplain habitats. It also has been introduced to other regions through the aquarium trade and aquatic plant transport. Colombian Ramshorn snails are notable for their large, flat, coiled shell that resembles the spiral shape of true Ramshorn snails. Adult shells can reach 2 to 3 inches in diameter, making this species significantly larger than most common aquarium snails. The shell is typically yellow, tan, or brown with darker spiral banding, although coloration can vary depending on diet, genetics, and environmental conditions. The shell structure is thick and rounded, providing protection from predators and environmental stress. The soft body of the Colombian Ramshorn snail is usually pale gray, cream, or tan with a muscular foot used for locomotion along surfaces. Like other apple snails, it possesses both gill and lung structures, allowing it to obtain oxygen from water and occasionally from the air. The snail may periodically extend a breathing tube-like siphon to the surface in low oxygen conditions. In natural and aquarium environments, Colombian Ramshorn snails are active grazers and omnivorous scavengers. Its diet includes algae, biofilm, detritus, decaying plant material, and soft aquatic vegetation. While this feeding behavior helps recycle nutrients and clean surfaces, the species is also capable of consuming live plants, particularly tender or slow-growing varieties. In plant aquariums, this grazing can sometimes result in noticeable plant damage. Reproduction in Colombian Ramshorn snails differs from many other freshwater snails because this species is not hermaphroditic. Individuals are either male or female, requiring mating between two separate snails for reproduction. After mating, females lay clusters of eggs underwater on solid surfaces such as plant leaves, rocks, or aquarium glass. The egg masses contain numerous small eggs that hatch into fully formed juvenile snails after several weeks, depending on the temperature. Ecologically, Colombian Ramshorn snails plays an important role in freshwater ecosystems by breaking down organic matter and contributing to the nutrient cycle. Its feeding activities help process detritus and algae, supporting microbial and invertebrate communities. However, because of its large size, high appetite, and adaptability, it has been introduced in some regions for biological control of aquatic plants and snails, sometimes leading to ecological concerns. In aquariums, the Colombian Ramshorn snail is valued for its size, distinctive shell pattern, and active behavior. It tolerates a wide range of water conditions, but generally prefers temperatures between 70 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, neutral to slightly alkaline pH, and moderate hardness to support shell growth. Adequate calcium availability is important for maintaining strong shell structure. Diet in captivity can include algae wafers, vegetable matter such as blanched spinach or zucchini, and general aquarium detritus. Supplemental feeding may be necessary in aquariums with limited algae growth to maintain proper nutrition. Overall, Colombian Ramshorn snails are a large and visually distinctive freshwater snail characterized by its ram's horn-like shell, active grazing behavior, and separate male and female reproductions. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy fish keeping.